Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zulfadli Azim bin Abdul Aziz. My matrix number is 2021861866. So today I want to tell about Commudity Murabahah Deposit CMD by RHB Berhad. So for introduction, RHB Berhad found in 1961. RHB Bank is a previous financial organisation in Malaysia. The development on commercial bank as it as international termed has subsequently developed into a full service commercial bank and provide variety of financial product and service. The service provided by Islamic Bank and other financial organisation under the Islamic Bank SIM has explained as Islamic Bank system has grown. The current account and saving account, for instance, fall under the categories of wadi'ah, yat damahah, guarantee deposit, murabahah, profit sharing, and card interest fee loan. So for the features of the product, the Commudity Murabahah Deposit CMD is an Islamic terms deposit with a fixed profit rate based on the Sharia concept and Commudity Murabahah via tawarruk agreement. It's used the purchasing and selling of Sharia compliant commodity as the underlying asset. This product is available as a deposit. Any commodity that the bank determine to be halal and compliant with Sharia principle on a as is where is basis, without any representation or warranties from the bank as the quality, condition, quantity and description, and without bank liability for any losses and damage, is referred to as a commodity. Using commodity e-certificate, the transfer of the commodity must be verified. This RHB Bank fixed deposit account is protected by Perbadanan Insurance Deposit Malaysia, PDIM Insurance. The money is insured as long as the customer replacement does not exceed 250,000. Premature and partial withdrawal are permitted for this product, and flexible profit payment option like monthly, quarterly, half year or yearly or open penalty are available. Individual account that are at least 18 years old or sole proprietorship, society and association business, non-interbank money market participant and government institution are all eligible to use this sort of product. For the strength of the product, we can see one of the strength of CDM is provide the alternative of interest-based banking product which are not permitted in Islamic finance due the prohibited of riba. CMD is allow depositor to earn a return on their deposit without violating Islamic principle. CMD is the flexible and customizable product that can be tailored to meet and need of the different types of depositor. For example, the deposit amount, tenor, the profit rate can be customized based on the depositor preference. CMD is also provide a degree of transparency to depositor as they know that exactly what the commodity or asset their fund are being invested in. The profit rate is disclosed upfront. This transparency help to build trust between the bank and its depositor. CMD can be used for the variety of purpose such as a short-term saving, long-term investment and financing specific project. However, it's important to note that CMD, like any other financial product, it also has limitation and the risk, and potential depositors should seek professional advice before investing. So we can see the advantage and disadvantage of the product. For advantage, the advantage of this product is include the higher profit rate and standard current of saving account, a modest international deposit amount 1,000 and short, medium and long term tenure ranging from 1 month to 60 months. Profit taking is known to be predetermined upon placement and there are no service charge. For disadvantage, The account holder must be Malaysian citizen and permanent resident in Malaysia. The internal deposit is quite high, but it's reasonable, which is 1,000 and 3,000 for both individual and business entire respective. While the issue in the murabahah contract under tawaruk agreement is whether is the agent is allowed to conduct deal with himself. The problem of the product is present the wakalah element, which is agent. In commodity murabahah, transaction has caused this structure to be perceived as the planned agreement and has drawn harsh commendation from some Middle East scholar. This practice conflict with AAI OIFI Sharia standard in 30, which prohibit selling commodity on behalf of customer who originally purchased those commodity from IFI unless IFI arrange for proxy third party to sell those commodity. This practice contain element of description and ambiguity, which is syubhat, especially when IFI assert that the intended transaction comply with the Sharia. The Organisation of International Council of Islamic Fiqh Academy (OIC) has prohibited the usage of this agreement as the result for the organised or pre-arranged commodity murabahah transaction that are being used. Transaction are now being used. We can see the innovation of the RHB Bank. RHB Bank provide the RHB Pay. RHB Bank release the bank mobile wallet apps which enable customer to send money, make payments and check their account balance using the cell phones. Digital banking to give a customer more practical method to access the banking system. RHB Bank has actively invest in the digital marketing product like internet and mobile banking. RHB Bank Home, which is RHB Bank introduced RHB My Home, that online tool that lets user look for the property, apply for mortgage and monitor the status of those application. The last one is RHB cmd-i solution. RHB Bank provide the variety of online service for the small and medium sized business, which is SME, including online banking, e-commerce and account opening. For the improvement, we can see the improvement of the customer education. RHB Bank can inform the educate client more about the advantage of commodity murabahah deposit. The process streamlining. RHB Bank can make change to its deposit with withdrawal procedure to make them more efficient and user friendly. Offer competitive rate to increase consumer interest in the commodity murabahah deposit product. And the last one, RHB Bank can increase the product transparency customer, which is we can get the customer trust and confidence any increase in as a result. Customer trust. For recommendation and the conclusion, we can see this thing help us in making any profit by not doing anything, just having a deposit our money in CMD and waiting for maturity. It might help us in the future for or the future plan money. If we are planning in 10 years later we want to have a 20,000 ringgit, so we can plan how much money we need to be deposit in CMD account. In conclusion, the commodity murabahah deposit CMD is a type of deposit account offered by Islamic bank that based on the concept of murabahah. It is designed to provide a Sharia compliant alternative to interest-based banking product and allow the depositor to earn a product on their deposit without violating Islamic principle. So that's all from me. Thank you.